All right, if you're thinking about holding real gold in your retirement account, well, you're not alone. A lot of people turn to gold when uncertainty is in the air. That's because gold can act as a safe haven asset. But before you rush to set up a gold IRA, let's break down exactly how it works, the pros, the potential downsides, and whether it's the right move for you. And hey, if you're wondering how to get started with a precious metals IRA, we'll touch on that as well. A Gold IRA is a special type of individual retirement account that allows you to own physical gold and other precious metals. Now, normally IRAs do not allow gold because the IRS considers physical metals to be collectibles, which means they can't be held in traditional retirement accounts. But a Gold IRA follows different rules, letting you store gold in a tax-advantaged account just like a traditional IRA. So how does a Gold IRA actually work? In a standard IRA, you're holding stocks, bonds, or ETFs that hopefully grow over time. With a Gold IRA, you're buying physical gold, which means you need a secure storage facility to hold it. And no, you can't keep it in your sock drawer or under your mattress. There are three main types of Gold IRAs. Traditional Gold IRA, funded with pre-tax dollars, grows tax-deferred until retirement. Roth Gold IRA, funded with after-tax money, withdrawals are tax-free in retirement. SEP Gold IRA for self-employed individuals and small businesses with higher contribution limits of up to $70,000 in 2025. Now let's talk about the good, the great, and a few things to keep in mind. The pros, tax advantages. Gold IRAs have the same tax benefits as traditional IRAs, meaning your gold grows tax-deferred, and in a Roth IRA, withdrawals are tax-free. Diversification. Gold doesn't move in sync with stocks, which means holding a small amount in your portfolio can help spread out your risk. Inflation protection. Many see gold as a store of value, making it a potential hedge against inflation over the long haul. A few things to keep in mind. There are some fees, but unlike traditional IRA, where you can buy stocks with no storage concerns, a Gold IRA comes with some added costs. You'll pay for secure storage, custodian fees, and potentially other charges. But this is simply the cost of ensuring your gold is physically protected and held in a certified facility. Gold doesn't generate passive income. But that's really not the purpose. Unlike stocks which pay dividends, gold is more of a steady, long-term store of value. If you buy 10 ounces of gold today, you still have 10 ounces of gold in 20 years. But historically, its value has held strong, making it an attractive option for wealth preservation. Gold IRAs focus on physical metals, but you can easily diversify. A Gold IRA is specifically for holding physical gold, meaning it doesn't include stocks or bonds. But many people simply open a separate traditional or Roth IRA alongside their Gold IRA to enjoy both gold security and the growth potential of traditional investments. So there you have it. If you're thinking about getting started, Goldco is offering a free gold and silver kit, which explains exactly how precious metals IRAs work. And right now, you may qualify for up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver and a free Ronald Reagan half-ounce silver coin. Click the link in the description to see if you qualify. Gold has been a store of wealth for thousands of years, and Gold IRAs offer a unique way to hold it in a tax-advantaged account. Whether or not it's right for you depends on your retirement goals, risk tolerance, and whether you're okay with the small costs that come with securing your physical gold. Hey, thanks for watching, and remember, gold doesn't rust, corrode, or go bankrupt, but it does require a secure vault.